Some Silicon Valley companies are skilled at greenwashing.
True, that happens anywhere.
Parin, Shah, true or false? People who work at fossil fuel companies will rot in hell.
False.
Also for Parin, Shah, true or false? You can have empathy for rank and file workers at oil companies earning good salaries and providing fuel we need for our daily lives.
I certainly can, and they need to help us transition to the renewable one.
True or false, David Baker, Tesla's stock is wildly overvalued.
Oh, good Lord. I think I'd be committing journalistic malpractice if I actually opined on that.
Just say that stock is worth about $500,000 for every car they sell for $100,000.
Give me
Okay,
another
how
one.
about this one, David Baker, true or false? Elon Musk and Donald Trump have a fair amount in common.
False.
True or false, Parin, Shah, cap and trade is sexy.
Clean air is sexy.